Hello, I'm Eric McCroskey, and we're Propulo, customer experience strategy advisors working with Fortune 500 organizations seeking to make the customer the priority. 8 offices, 15 years experience, advice backed by science. Today, I'm in Miami Beach. One of the things that really drives me nuts is when executives think that they've got it covered from a customer experience perspective when they've got a Lean Six Sigma team. Don't get me wrong, I'm a huge believer in Lean Six Sigma. It has its merits. I'm a master black belt that has trained lots of other master black belts. However, Lean Six Sigma isn't the answer to everything. Lean Six Sigma is a tool. It helps organizations problem solve and drive more customer focus in their problem solving. However, you can't get to true service differentiation if all you're doing is looking at incremental improvements or back-to-back improvements. You need to rethink your end-to-end journey. You need to rethink how you operate. You need to rethink your business model. That's how we take service design to the next level across multiple different organizations, across multiple different sectors. It's time for organizations to embrace that improving their business requires multiple different tools, not just one. Those are the types of strategic customer experience issues we help organizations with. Thank you.